Hey YouTube, we're going to do Another Sunny Day by Belle and Sebastian. It's originally done in G sharp. We're going to move it to G to make it more guitar friendly. And we can just play it with 5 chords. G, D, C, A minor, and E minor. It starts out on C. Let me do a run through and then we'll talk about it. Another sunny day, I met you up in your garden. You were digging plants, I dug you, beg your pardon. I took a photograph of you in your herbaceous border. It broke the hearts of men and flowers and girls and trees. That's basically how it goes. The introduction is just like the last part of the verse. C, G, D. That's how the verse ends. So in order to start the new verse, they just play the end of the verse. But then when the singing begins, it's on G. Another sunny day, I met you up in the garden. Goes to D. Then it goes. We're gonna play A minor and E minor. You were digging herbs, I dug you, beg your pardon. E minor. Then it goes to C. Took your photograph in your herbaceous border. C to G. Then D. It broke the heart of men and flowers and girls and trees. D to G is how it ends. And then it starts another one. And then the next verse begins another rainy day. Another rainy day, trapped inside. It's exactly the same chord progression as the first verse. The third verse begins another day in June. Another day in June. Pick 11 for football. It follows again. After the D goes A minor, E minor, C, G, D, G. Alright, so the first 3 verses are exactly the same chord progression. The last 3 verses have a variation. So let's find out. This is the variation starts in the verse where it goes, everybody's gone, but you pick me up for a long drive. Okay, we go G to D, just like before. Go to A minor, midnight, A minor to E minor, that's still the same. Come out of that, go to C. Go C to G, that's the same. D, normally we go back to G. But now we're gonna go, we're gonna extend it and go to E minor. Back to D. G. So before the last D to G, it adds a D to E minor. Alright, let's go over that in the next one. Well, I feel the last one. Loving is a mess. What happened to all of the feeling deep? do our minors. A minor, E minor, C. Coming out of the minors, we always go to C. G. Now we go D to E minor before we go D to G. Part that goes of past, present, future, haunting the heart. D to G and it ends. So really it's the same chord progression. It just on the last couple verses they add a D to E minor. So that I think because those verses are a little longer, but I don't really know. Now there is like a little instrumental section, and they just play that same. Sometimes they stop though, and then there's a little guitar part. On the high E, 3, 2, open. On the B string, 3, 1, open. 2, open on the G. And then back to the 2. And then we start, the second time we go one note higher than the G. We start on the 5th fret. So then it's just 5 on the high E, 3, 2, open, on the B string, 3, 1, on the G string we end with the open G. We go 2, fret 2 on the G string, and that's how it ends. Playing, a xylophone. They're just going up and down the scale. Okay, so hopefully that simplifies that song for you, and have fun playing it. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.